Anchor sheet lets a party prove they passed every check without revealing any of the underlying identity data. For example, a user connects a wallet, completes one KYC, and their wallet derives a private credential. The browser then generates a zero-knowledge proof, asserting that the credential is valid. After that, a Stellar smart contract verifies the proof on chain, and only then let the transaction proceed. The private credential fields and marked witnesses never leaves your device. Anchor sheet lets anyone prove they are allowed to send money or own a digital asset. They are checked whether they are on the watch list, whether they are old enough, and whether their country is allowed or their country is on the sanctions list, all without showing who they actually are. And this is the real thing running live on the Stellar testnet. Right now, I'll do a brief demonstration on how everything actually works. The first thing we'll do is we'll go to the issuer, and the issuer is the trusted party that checks people's ID. Just think of it like an office that issues a passport. The page shows its three saved records, which are valid ID card, the blocked list, people that aren't allowed, and also cancel IDs. Every checks on this site compares against these three, and we can also run a real ID check on ourselves here. So let's do a brief ID check. So I integrated SumSwap for this, and the SumSwap is currently on the sandbox mode, which is the testnet. So you can use any ID for the verification. So you come here, you input your mail if you want to get an OTP, but don't waste much of our time. I will tick this and click on start verification. After that, you choose your country, and my country is Nigeria, so I'll go with Nigeria. And then I'm going with national ID card. Then I'll click on continue, which will now brought me to where I will upload my ID card, the front and the back ID. So I'll click on the black back ID and upload. All these IDs, they are not actually real, just for testnet purpose. So after that, I'll click on continue, and it takes me to the liveness check where I'll do my face scan. So I'll click on continue, disconnecting my camera. So right now I've done my live check and it's now checking it. You can see it's verifying the ID verification in process. Your profile has been verified, the KYC has passed, the country has been checked and is not in sanction list, and the age is also cross-checked. So the next thing we do is let's go to the console tab, and here on the console tab, this is where the routine happens. You set your ID card, then your browser builds a real proof and send it to Stellar. If this proof is good, the payment goes through or the asset is created. You can also make your wallet a usable KYC like we did earlier on the issuer page. This is the okay, so everything is on start. So let me show you. So you click on connect wallet here. You can get your ID card in 4 steps here. You click on connect wallet, then you verify your ID. You can see KYC required. So let's click on verify to confirm. You can see our KYC has been verified. Then you click on sign. So then click on sign up. So still loading. So in order not to waste much of our time, let's go to the composer tab. So and the composer type is where you can build, is a tool where you can build it, where you can build yourself the actual desired type of KYC you want. So you come here, you describe a new rule, for example, must be over 18 years old. You can increase the age to 18 or more, and you can change the country and instantly write out a ready to use check for you. That includes a settings file, a command, a small Stellar program, and a website component. You can paste in any app. So this is the purpose of the composer tab. So the next one is the developer tab, and under the developer tab, this is for programmers who want to add anchor sheet to their own app. For example, all other projects like building reward assets, tokenized stock that are on Stellar, and they would like to integrate anchor sheet. Here is where they will do it. It shows 2 simple ways to plug in the exact code to copy, and the list of live programs they have should point at. You can see everything here. And the last but not the least, I'll be talking to you here is the auditor. So let's go to the auditor. And the auditor, the purpose of auditor is to serve as a regulator's review. It shows how someone whose job is to check the rules holding one specifically can unlock a single payment and confirm it follow the rules, while saying nothing else about the person. Privacy for the user, proof for the regulator. You can see. So anchor sheet proves you are eligible, and in the process you reveal no identity, So everything is live on the website anchor.goodman.xyz. Thank you.